Today on King Around the World, you will be learning how to master money and what exactly money is. Money is an energy. It's a form of exchange. Currency is what we are using currently as an exchange. We used to exchange furs, skins, herbs, fruits, vegetables. Now we live in a day and age where money is currency. Now I want to bring your awareness to the actual word currency, what we have collectively agreed upon as a value. I also want you to understand currency, current, the flow. Money is an energy. It is a flow. It's constantly flowing. Money is coming and going. If you just hold on to money and it stays, and you just hold on to it, it's not actually doing anything. You're not doing anything efficiently with that. That's different than if you're actually holding on to something for a purpose. You're holding on to it for a down deposit, or you're holding on to it for an investment. This is something completely different. Money is very important. Money is how we eat, how we travel, how we purchase things. Money is not evil. People are evil. Money is neutral. You can do good things with money, or you can do bad things with money. It's up to you and the individual, how you use that money. Are you using it to serve others? Are you using it to create a positive impact in the world? Or are you using it for self-destruction, for drugs, for harming the planet and harming others? Are you greedy and want more than what you need? Or are you using that money to benefit your life and all those around you? I'll give you an example. Money is a thought. When you think that you're rich, you are rich. When you think you are poor, you are poor. Be careful in what you choose to think. I am rich. I am the richest human on this planet. I have infinite amount of time to do whatever I want and do whatever I wish to create. I have freed myself because I am beyond money. Money itself, the idea of money is an illusion. Think of money as an energy. Think of it as a flow, as an energetic flow. The more open you are to receive and the more open you are giving, the more money that flows in your life and around you and through you. You become a conduit for expression. Money is a tool for expression. I was once in Van Vieng, sitting on the ground, and I was meditating every day. And at this point in time, I realized that I was beyond money. So I sat down, I closed my eyes, I started to meditate. People started to come and be like, oh, you want money? Here, money, 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 money. They were throwing money at me. No, I don't need money. You keep that money. Do something with it. Invest it. You don't have to give me your money. I don't want your money. I don't need your money. You don't have to give me your money. I'll explain to you how powerful the mind is in receiving money and achieving money. I'll give you an example. I don't often go out to the club, but one night I went out to the club with two of my friends. We were at the club. I don't drink, and I wasn't drunk at that time. And at about 1 or 2 o'clock at night, I remember sitting down. And I told one of my friends, watch this. Someone is going to come and give me money for no reason. I held my hand out like this. And I said, someone's going to give me, they're just going to put money in my hand for no reason. I'm thinking, I'm manifesting this with my thoughts, okay? My thoughts are so clear, I'm putting this vibrational frequency out into the universe. Someone that was drunk and unconscious had no idea what they were doing. They just came and they took out $20 bill and they put it in my hand. And I just looked at it. Wow, I have $20. I can manifest money out of nothing. Just with my thoughts, I can create money coming into my life. I look at the individual. I break his drunkenness spell with my gaze. He has a little self-realization, realize, okay, why am I giving this fucking guy money? He has a little epiphany, and I give the money back to him. I didn't need his money. I don't need your money. The point is, your mind creates your reality. Think you are rich and you will be rich. This is very hard to do when you're poor, but do it. Think. Use self-hypnosis or go to a hypnotherapist. Try to find different ways to convince yourself that you're rich, and you'll start to live that life. This world, you have access to infinite amounts of things, infinite amounts of money. There are billions, trillions of dollars in this world, in this universe. You are capable of accessing that. And you access that by getting clear inside of yourself, having purpose, having a plan, and action, doing all these things together. That is how you manifest money. Stop chasing money. Allow money to come to you. This is my gift to you. If you loved this video, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you on the next video. Talk to you soon.